I had to share this all plated up, you guys. It turned out so good. Look at that. I served it over mashed potatoes. Oh my God, it looks so good. I am so excited to eat this, you guys. Stick around. Today I am making a Mississippi pot roast. This is perfect for if you have a busy day ahead. You can just throw everything in the pot and do what you have to do. So I'm going to add some carrots to the bottom of this. You don't have to add any vegetables if you don't want to, but I like to add carrots. Now, for a cheaper and tougher cut of meat, I like to cook them all day so they become tender. Now, this is a round roast, also known as a chuck roast. So I got this on sale, so I thought perfect to make this recipe with that. Now I'm adding 1 whole stick of butter. I'm going to put as much as I can on top of the roast. Just kind of pile it up there, give it some moisture as it cooks. I am not going to add any salt because there's going to be a lot of salt in the mixes that I put in this pot. But I am going to add some pepper. Just kind of measure with your heart. As you can see, my batteries are dying in my pepper grinder. I will have to replace them. Next, I'm going to add some ranch seasoning. And this is where the salt comes in. So I'm just going to spread this over top of everything. And usually I make it with some au jus, but I couldn't find any in the store, so I'm just going to use some brown gravy. Oh, make me sneeze. Oh, bless me. And I'm going to add some pepperoncinis for a little bit of spice and a lot of flavor. So I'm just going to put about 6 or 8. They're not going to stay on the roast, so I don't even know why I'm trying. And about 1/4 cup of the pepperoncini liquid. Now I'm not going to add any more liquid because the meat itself will make some liquid as well as the butter. If you do find that you need more liquid, then add about 1/4 cup of beef broth. And that's it, guys. That is the meal. I'm going to put it on low for about 6 hours and I shall return. Putting it on low for 8 hours. But you can put it on high for 5 hours if you like. So my roast has been cooking for 7 hours, but I just wanted to show you guys the liquid that everything has been created in this pot. And this is why I said you don't need to add any other broth or water. But if you do still want to add more broth, you can add like 1/4 cup of beef broth if you like. 1 more hour to go. It's ready. I'm so excited. As you can hear, I'm doing voiceover because my husband right there is in the background watching TV. So I'm just going to take a little bit out of the crock pot. Oh, I need the lid because it's dripping everywhere. Looks so good. It smells so good in my house right now. Burn my mouth again. The carrot is cooked just perfectly. It's a little bit al dente, which is like perfect for me. That's how I like it. Now the meat. so tender. And the flavor, oh my God. So good. I'm gonna make a plate and show you guys. So I made mashed potatoes to go with this meal. It just looks perfect together. You don't need anything else. I can hardly wait to eat this meal. The meat is so tender. It's just crazy. Thanks for watching, you guys. I will see you tomorrow.